Hello, everyone. This is 4K Crafts Home. I often break a few eggs every day when cooking and stir frying. Um, Although everyone knows how to break eggs, there are also some tips for breaking eggs. Below, I will share a few tips on beating eggs, which are very practical and can. The first tip is to shake the eggs. When we usually break eggs, we usually pick up an egg and knock it directly into the bowl. However, there is still a lot of egg white left in the eggshell, which easily drips everywhere. Throwing it away directly would be too wasteful, and shaking it a few more times would also waste time. Here's a little tip. Before we beat the eggs, we pick up an egg and shake it first, and then knock it into the bowl. Now you can see that the inside of the eggshell is a little clean, and there are no residues. It is quick and convenient. The second tip is to beat the eggs with one hand. Master cooks usually beat eggs with one hand, which is fast and convenient, and their posture is. Put the egg in the palm of your hand and gently pick one end of the egg with your index and middle fingers. Use your thumb and other fingers to gently pinch the other end. Then combine the first tip and shake the eggs a few times. Beating eggs is very clean this way. Then lightly crack the egg in the middle. Push back with your index finger and middle finger, and the eggshell will open from the middle, and an egg will be cracked in no time. The third tip is to scoop out broken eggshells skillfully. When cracking eggs, it is inevitable that a few broken eggshells will accidentally fall in. We usually use chopsticks to fish them out, but we will find that it is difficult to clamp the eggshells inside, and they will run away as soon as they are clamped. At this time, we can easily pick up the small broken shells using the eggshells just now. Get it right every time you catch it. Small broken shells will not run around. What is the principle? Because the edge of the eggshell is thin and sharp, it can easily pierce the egg white and pick up the broken eggshell in one go with perfect accuracy. It turns out that there is this little trick for beating eggs, which is real. If you have more ideas and suggestions, please leave a comment below. You are also welcome to share, forward, and help more people. Thank you all.